So anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy festive season. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Akulama festive season. It's okay not to be okay, guys. If you don't have money, stay at home. So anyway, guys, without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. I will start with a Vuyokazi before Mangwabe. So yesterday, Vuyokazi, one thing about Vuyokazi, she's the girl that she thinks she is. She's handling this mother of two very well. So yesterday she posted two many beautiful videos and she was busy doing Christmas photo shoot. One thing about Vuyokazi, guys, although there are people that are still saying including Pumela, anything that Vuyokazi she's doing, they will include in Pumela. Guys, not everyone is gonna get married. You know, people are happy as long as you have money in South Africa. I think everything is fine. You just need money to survive. Yes, you do need a man, but money is the most important thing. So anyway, guys, let's get to Mangwabe. Guys, it seems like Mangwabe lied to us. Mangwabe usasekhona eMzumbe. So there's a picture that is currently true. It seems like we might see Mangwabe go the next season, Uthando Nesithembu season 9. So people are saying ukuthi we might see Umembeso waka Mangwabe. Finally, Masamseleko gave Mangwabe what she always wanted, guys. The people are saying ukuthi lento yakuthi uyahamba. She was just wanted Musamseleko not to marry wife number 5. And people are saying ukuthi as long as Umamkhulu she has agreed, there's nothing the other wives can do, guys. You can say a lot, you can talk a lot. Remember when Mangwabe leaves Uthando Nesithembu or leave Msaleko, she's not gonna be famous. I mean, people do enjoy the money that they are getting. It's not easy to leave. So people are saying Mangwabe, guys, the trend uyahamba. So tonight on Uthando Nesithembu Uncut, we're gonna find out ngempela Mangwabe she's moved on or what is going on, because people are saying on Uthando Nesithembu season 9 we don't expect Mangwabe talking about yena uyahamba, because we can see ukuthi she's still there lapana uhleli, guys. She's now got herself a new house, she's living her best life. It's just that she's no longer in Mzumbe, so she must stop saying ukuthi yena uyahamba. So people are calling out to Mangwabe. So there's a clip lapana from Uthando Nesithembu Uncut. One day she was asking Mangwabe ukuthi ufila kanjani go wife number 5, uzohlala pho wife number 5. Mangwabe was like, I don't care, she's not part of my family. So people are saying ukuthi hayi Mangwabe une attitude yamanese ngempela. So people are saying Mangwabe, tonight we are waiting for you. We're gonna find out ukuthi vele ngempela uhambile or you are still there, because we can tell ukuthi wena you will never leave Musamseleko. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.